Beautiful people, what's up? As you've already seen in the title, we are going to discuss about how to start a digital marketing agency in 2023. Today, in the year 2023, digital marketing agency, that too from your home, just with a laptop and internet, is one of the most profitable and scalable online business, right? Today, companies are, creating a whopping $1 billion revenue every single year just by selling their digital marketing services, right? So let's quickly get started and let me teach you how exactly you can do this from your comfort of your home. Now, let us understand the principle of any business, be it service business or be it product business. You'll only get paid when you solve people's problem. Nobody's going to pay you if you're not going to solve a problem, right? And so as to solve a problem, you need to have a problem solving skill, right? Problem solving skill. A problem solving skill is something that adds value in the life of your prospects and your prospects business. When I'm talking about the value in the prospect's life or value in your business in prospect's business life, that means your skill should be capable enough to solve a valuable problem. That means more valuable the problem you solve, the more valuable check you make, right? So the funda is loud and clear. It's all about value. As an agency entrepreneur, no matter whatever service you are planning to give, you can be a freelancer, you can be an agency entrepreneur selling web development, maybe SEO, maybe ad services. The first of all, number one, the principles. Before we deep dive into the step-by-step process, let us understand the principle first. Principle is all about you have to first of all explore your value. Are you having that valuable skill within you, right? Now see, you need to understand there is no place for mediocre skills. Now the market is getting competitive with each passing day. You need to be on your top gear when it comes to providing quality of service. So first of all, you have to kind of adapt, learn and explore whether you have that value within you or not. Number two, communicate that value. You need to understand that it's just having value is not enough. You need to have a voice. You need to go out, communicate, market yourself on all the places where your prospects are spending time. Number three, deliver the value. That means the moment the people start engaging with you, after they receive your messages, they start believing on you and they give you the project or the assignment. You should be capable enough to commit to whatever you have promised. That means the quality of service, the delivery part. Now let us go ahead and understand the step-by-step process. The first and foremost thing, number one, you need to acquire valuable skills. So what are the most important services that you can give around the skills? The first and foremost important skill is web development. Fast selling. Web development is fast selling. Number two, content marketing. Number three, video production. Number four, brand building. Number five, conversion rate optimization. Number six, lead generation. Number seven, influencer marketing. Number eight, SEO. Number nine, social media management. As you are seeing on the screen, I'll ask the team to put all the pointers on the screen. These are the most in-demand, high-paying and fast-selling services right now in the market. Number two, you have to find out your niche. That means who are the group of people who can pay you a lot of money in exchange of these services. You just cannot go out and target the broader market. If you want to be a specialist, you need to understand people pay huge amount of money only to the specialist. And if you want to go and be a specialist, you need to understand who exactly is a specialist. Specialist is somebody who is working on a problem day in, day out and consistently that leads to being a specialist in any services, right? So you have to understand, you have to figure out a very narrow down audience and you have to understand what exactly is the problem you are solving. That means you should be eventually evolving yourself as a specialist of solving that specific problem of that specific group of people, right? It can be real estate, it can be health, it can be BFSI, it can be education. These are the industries that is actually surviving, and currently they are having numerous problems around lead generation, inquiries, brand building, awareness and whatnot, right? So you have to find out a niche, find out what exactly they are facing in terms of their pain points and get started with it. Number three, find out your unique value proposition. The moment I say you need to understand your niche, you have to also understand that what is your unique value proposition. That means what is that one value add you can add in the life of your niche audience. How exactly you are helping them generate results. This is going to be your central narrative of your entire marketing. This is going to be your central manifesto of your brand, of your agency brand. This is going to be the one-liner, the major central idea of your entire marketing, that how exactly you are helping them generate result, that to in quantified way. Let's say, for example, if I'm a social media marketer, my UVP, unique value proposition, or my positioning statement can be, I help startups to get their first 30 clients or 10 clients using my social media marketing services, right? So this is called as a unique value proposition, that to in a quantified way. Point number four, build your portfolio, the most important thing, because portfolio is something that will showcase as your, that will be showcased as an evidence. What exactly you need to build in a portfolio? So first of all, your social proof makes a lot of difference, right? Why we are creating a lot of content? Because the moment we create a lot of content, people in our niche, they believe, they trust on our content. They, our free videos, free tutorials help them to make their lives easy. It is helping them to do their job in a better way, do their any operational job in a better way. So they start believing in us, and they start believing on us, they start consulting with us, and eventually they convert into customers. So your portfolio, the first and foremost thing is social proof. Your website, maybe your social media presence, your social media influence, right? Then comes your case studies. Whatever experience you have, the moment you start working, make sure that you start tracking customer success and customer progress. This is the most important thing, the case studies. Then comes point number 5, step number 5, build packages. You need to understand there are multiple different audiences in the market in a similar industry, in the same industry, with different paying capacity, right? You need to understand the buying psychology also. So you have to make sure that you have to create multiple packages. One, sometimes I can say, sometimes at a low end, a package A can be low end, package C will be highly premium, and package B is something that you feel like selling it, right? It's a middleware kind of a pricing strategy. We often say that it's a decoy method of pricing. You can go ahead and make a pricing. What exactly happens when you give multiple pricing methods? The moment you tag your product or services with a price, immediately what happens, the customer comes in an evaluation mode, and the subconscious mind of your prospects will say, hey, let us go ahead and start comparing the prices with their competitors. Let's say, for example, if you only give multiple pricing options on your quotation, then the subconscious mind will not anchor or hook that let us go and compare it with some other competitor. The customer's complete mind will be locked into the brackets of the pricing that you are giving right now. So higher the chance that the customer will make a decision then and there. The next important step is build a marketing calendar. What exactly is a marketing calendar? Marketing calendar is nothing but a list of questions that your prospects will ask before they buy a product or service, right? Before they hire a digital marketing agency. Let's say if you're targeting the real estate industry, the real estate agents, this is a very common question they ask on social media, maybe on Google, like how to generate leads, how to increase revenue for my real estate business. So these are the questions. So you need to make a list of all these questions. You can use growth hacking tools like BuzzSumo, Answer the Public, Quora, and understand what are the communications or conversations that is going in the subconscious mind of your prospect, right? So make a list of all these questions. These questions will help you to build content later on, because it is very much important that you move into the conversations that is going inside the subconscious mind of your prospect. Step number 7, build a distribution system. The primary distribution systems are social media. Under social media, it's LinkedIn. Number 2, Instagram. Number 3, YouTube. Number 4, Google. These are the primary 4 social media, primary, distribution channels. Yeah, of course, you can use email marketing as well. You can use email marketing tools as well to distribute your messages. Number 7, build an offer. You need to understand customers don't buy your product, they buy your offer. You have to build an offer that is highly valuable. Let's say, for example, if you are targeting real estate agents, so you can create a seminar or a training or a PDF or a guidebook, 7-step process to sell more apartments in 2023 using our 3-step social media blueprint. So, 3 secrets to build a real estate empire using social media. So if you create this kind of knowledge materials, distribute it in your customer base or into your target group, you start gaining attention, right? You will make sure that people know you first. Why will somebody buy from you if they don't know you? First of all, you have to create some offer and distribute it. It's like a bait. The next important step is going to be build a sales funnel. What exactly is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is nothing but pushing those offers to your prospect base, gaining their attention and driving them to a consultation page or to a survey page where exactly the attention converts into a visit and eventually the visit converts into an inquiry, right? This is called as building a sales system. The moment you start building the sales system, here comes the step number 11. You build your list. That means the moment people start coming in and posting their inquiries, they start converting themselves into inquiries, right? They start converting into contacts and you build your list. You can use this list to remarket them on social media by showing up by showing your case studies, by showing your brand banners, by showing your customer stories. This will make your brand more memorable. It is very much important that you increase the recall value of your prospect. If not today, if after 6 months or 8 months, if the customer decides to buy your services, they remember you. So it's very much important that the list will help you to nurture via retargeting on social media using remarketing ads, or you can nurture them via using email marketing tools as well, right? Email drip campaigns as well, right? So step number 12, build a closing strategy. What exactly is a closing strategy? A closing strategy is nothing but the art how you conduct your very first meeting. How you conduct your very first meeting. The discovery call, the strategic meeting, the sales presentation, and of course the closing offer after doing multiple follow-ups. Step number 13, a smooth onboarding. What exactly is the smooth onboarding process? A smooth onboarding process is nothing but setting up an expectation, showing up that professionalism by making them signing some contracts, running down the scope of the work, writing an email to them about the terms and conditions, what are the credentials that you need from them, who is going to the counterpart in customer's organization, what are the working days, which are the days on which your team is not going to work. Then step number 14 is all about customer success. This is a point where exactly you start tracking customer success and discussing the reports. This is where you will understand whether you are failing or you are winning. It will help you to keep in control on customers' behavior. It will help you to keep your customer engaged and retain your customers. Step number 15, retain and maintain stability. We are not in a sales game. We are in a reordering game, right? We are in a reordering business. That means it's very much important you start learning how to retain. Here you have to retain a client, create that delight in their lives, make sure that you upgrade their services by upselling higher level services or cross-selling some other services. Ask them for referrals, right? Ask them for referrals and create a permanent customer base. This is where the business continuity plays a very important role. This is where your business will move from a survival mode to a stable mode. I hope all these points will help you if you are struggling to build a digital marketing agency in 2023. If you are a digital marketer or a freelancer, the good news is we have launched our advanced diploma in digital marketing and business leadership, which is one of the best programs under the sun. Best program under the sun. If you are a freelancer, individual or agency owner struggling to build something around your career, around your business, want to know more about the curriculum, about the syllabus, because we are the best, nobody's our competitor. You can click on the link somewhere around the video or in the comment, download the syllabus, go through it. You will find the difference. You will find the crux why ADMI is the best digital marketing and business leadership program under the sun. Get on a call with us. Let us discuss in details about your challenges because the next batch is starting soon. This is Alok Bhartia signing out now. Have a nice day. Bye. Thanks a lot.